everybody. That's Robert.
That's Julie.
We're back.
It's our thing.
What is that line in the middle?
I don't know.
You see it?
No. Yeah, there's a little thing that's a box thing in there. So anyway, we're looking at the camera.
Yeah, we're just kind of going, huh? Anyway, it's been a while since we did a haul. We don't have Tuffy anymore. Her name is now Miracle.
It turned out to be a her.
Yeah, it's a her. And she is with a wonderful, wonderful friend of mine that will take excellent care of her. Matter of fact, I just about had her bottle fed off of it with the soft food. Well, they're still bottle feeding her. So she's spoiled.
Yeah, she's got a new roommate. His name is Gary.
And Gary does not like her.
Gary the cat.
Gary doesn't like her at all. No.
Gary will get over it.
He's like, can't be able to do it.
So what are we doing now?
Well, we got a haul.
Haul it, baby. Haul it.
We haven't done a haul in a while.
No. So what do you want
to... And some of this stuff is dupes and some of it's new. Because we just, last weekend, we've been doing yard work. And we had our bushes trimmed up. We had some bushes taken out because they were dead and stuff like that, and some stumps that I had cut down last year or the year before.
Something like that.
I cut them down, and the stumps were there. I couldn't get the stumps out, so we had somebody come in and take them out for us last weekend. So we're kind of slowly getting the yard back up. First thing we did was I bought these. And they're yard lights. I bought, 6 of them?
And they're heavy and they're glass.
Yeah, they're glass. And they're solar powered. So we're going to put these out front. And once I get my front done today, I'll show y'all tonight. Because I think we're going to go up to Walmart here in a little bit and get some flowers to plant. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you that. We're going to go get some flowers to plant.
Okay.
Okay, so these are dupes. We always get batteries because this house relies on batteries.
Mm-hmm. We're energized. I know we're Panasonic.
Okay, so the real reason I went there is to get soap. I would get this. This one smells different.
Smells like soap.
But anyway, we got soap because we were using the Bath and Body Works and the Dove and the liquid soaps. Well, my skin kept itching. I couldn't figure out why. Well, I got a bar of soap when I went to my mom's and I stopped itching. So I was like, okay, so we use bar soap now, and I like the Dial. I got some toothpaste. It's a repeat.
That's from the bar?
Yeah.
You got bars? Oh, excuse me.
I got some cream cheese.
All right.
Because I got some cupcake stuff in there. I got some brownie mix. Drinks, because I like to put the strawberry and the watermelon together.
She wanted the cherry and couldn't find it.
Yeah, I really wanted the cherry and I couldn't find it.
So she subbed.
The Duke crackers and cheese.
Good for low blood sugar, at least it helps us.
Peanut butter cookies, because I make him peanut butter cookies with dark chocolate.
Yeah, baby.
And I put these in his lunchbox to keep it work.
Keeps me out of trouble.
We got
root beer.
Dupe. Okay, now I got a scoop because I have a flour container over here, and I'm hoping this is small enough. If not, I got to find something smaller than this to scoop my flour out, because right now I've been using a measuring cup, and that's just a pain in my...
Whatever. Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, so I got this. I got some scouring sponges. I got... Oh, we already talked about that.
We'll talk about this one too, because there's 2 of them.
I got these little whisk. I hope you can see them.
They're black, but they're hard to see.
No, it's got black and I got gray somewhere.
I got a gray one too?
Yeah.
They're multicolored.
But anyway, I need whisk because I use them a lot when I'm cooking, and so I got these. I got another one of these. I wanted a couple more because I love these things. I got some tongs. Okay. Now, I don't know if a lot of people know this, but these are actually, I bought them for the grill. I got 2 of them, one for the set for the grill, one for in here. When you use cast iron skillets, you're not supposed to use silicone or plastic.
She set my handle on fire. She put it on the grill with the handle on it. And she set my handle on fire.
I've done it before and it never did that. He was the one watching it.
Now blame it on me. Yeah, okay. She
weren't
set my
watching it.
handle on fire.
He wasn't watching it. So anyway, we're always needing these, and when I use my cast iron skillets, I like to use these instead of the plastic or the silicone ones, because the silicone ones and the plastic ones melt.
Like my handle that caught on fire.
This is for the grill. I already have one of these, mind you, but he got another one. What is this?
That's a scouring pad that you take to the grill and you do this number with it.
Kind
of like you do with this.
You do it while it's hot?
You can, but you really
That'd
don't want
melt.
to. You really don't want
Wouldn't
to.
that melt?
Not blazingly hot, not with fire going on, but after it's done, you can scrape it. And it works well when it's not hot too, so there you go.
Okay, so it's summertime. We'll be grilling out a lot. So he likes hamburgers, and we do hamburger patties, we do hamburger patties, we make hamburgers. I'll make, what is it called that you like?
What?
With the gravy?
Oh,
Salisbury
like
steak.
Salisbury steak.
Salisbury steak.
What it is, it's like a hamburger patty with cream or mushroom gravy on top.
But I got one of these because I'm sick of making them and patting them down because it kills my shoulder still. I'm still recovering from shoulder surgery. So that's one reason why I got this. A book.
A book.
Now, I see everybody using these on
YouTube?
Yeah, that's it.
That's it, YouTube.
YouTube. I see everybody using these, and I'm like,
What is it?
It's a scrubby. You put your lotion. Put your lotion and you scrub. You put your your dish detergent. You put your dish detergent in here, and then you've got a scrubby. So I think this will work good for like the stove top. I think that'll work good.
All right, I'll go with that.
Today, I am actually doing some cooking stuff on my channel today because we're grilling out, and I'm going to make my barbecue beans, and I'm going to make my potato salad, which he's going to have to help me with, but no big deal. But I needed pickles. What was that for? He has to help me because I can't lift it because of my shoulder. I can't lift anything heavy with my shoulder. I can't do crap because of this shoulder. But I still cook. But they help heft. Him and his sister, my roommates, help heft the pans and stuff like that. And if I lift anything, I get yelled at by his sister. So anyway, pickles for potato salad.
We got more of those?
Yeah, because I'm down on mine. Okay, so I need to get more. I need to get more. I do, when I have my leftovers, we have a friend. He doesn't eat very good. He eats ramen noodles 24/7. That is not healthy at all. There's no nutrients in ramen noodles. I eat them when I'm sick because I don't want to eat anything else.
I don't eat them at all, period.
I crumble up the ramen, and that's what I eat when I'm sick because it's more the broth than it is the
She swears
noodles.
she's fed them to me, but I'm like, I
So
swear.
anyway, I needed storage containers because he's fixing, I've got almost a freezer full of leftovers for him, which he's going to have to bring back the containers, and I've got to get some more different containers, which I'll probably get within the next month, but I normally put them in baggies, Ziploc baggies, and then sign it, and then put whatever's on it, and put it in the freezer for him. And so I had to get more containers because I'm out here at home. I don't have any containers to store food in. I normally store them in Ziploc baggies because if I don't keep them, if there's not enough, we give them to the cats outside. When I clean out my refrigerator, we give them to we don't dump them in the trash. We feed the strays outside because they get in our trash.
And it keeps the natural pest around the house from not being around the house.
Yeah, keep the rats and the mice away.
And everything else.
But we don't put them in the trash because they go through the trash. They tear the trash apart by the time the morning comes. So we just give them our leftovers, except for like salads and stuff like that. But
the city and the local people that are building warehouses around the house, our neighborhood, are moving the natural wildlife from where they're out of their habitat into the neighborhoods. So I mean,
like I want to go out and start walking because I've gained a little bit of weight since I've had my surgery.
We've seen coyotes out there.
There's coyotes out there. There's big pit bulls out there. There's big dogs out there.
There's everything from possums to raccoons to coyotes to probably wolves. And knowing that in the neighborhood, you can probably we've heard bobcats.
Yeah, bobcats have been around here, and so I don't want to get out and walk by myself because of this. And he's tired when he comes home because he's walked all day. He walks in a college all day long. He walks downtown Dallas all day long. Mm-hmm. So, you know, he's busy. And I don't want to ask him, do you want to go walking when I come home? So he can carry a gun and shoot the damn thing if it comes up, you know.
You rule.
So anyway, I got some rulers because the other day he came up to me and he goes, do you have a ruler? And I was like, yeah, somewhere. Rules. So I got some rulers. I'm going to put one in his studio and one in his train room. Then I like the Mrs. Meyer's cleaning stuff, but it's gotten to be so expensive. So this all-purpose cleaner, it's Cherry Blossom, and it's got the same stuff as...
Is that LA's Awesome Cleaner?
Yes, totally awesome. It's the all-purpose cleaner, degrister, and spot remover, but I got this because I'm going to try this.
When you use this stuff, make sure you use it in a well-ventilated area.
Not this one. This
Not
one.
That one?
No,
the yellow one is. Woo.
This is the Cherry Blossom. See, it doesn't stink. It smells pretty good.
The yellow one doesn't stink, but you sure will get high with it. I guarantee you, it is. High. But yeah, the yellow one I used to use industrially, and you can get a little stoned.
And I know his sister's going to be seeing this, but she'll forget by the time Christmas comes around. I started buying her different books. She buys this one. She likes this one Arthur something Hart, Caroline Hart or something like that.
I don't know.
Anyway, she likes her, but I've been buying her different little books to put in a bag. Just so she could, I mean, she has the series, her daughter-in-law and son get her the series stuff and stuff like that. So we'll probably get her some of her in her series, but I'm also getting her different books to put in her into different reading.
What can it hurt, right?
Right. And then, did I do this already?
You did the strawberry.
No, I just got strawberry.
You just got strawberry. That's
and then we got hydrogen peroxide.
Mm-hmm.
And he got some picture frames, which we've double deep,
we've done this before.
Two, quadruple two.
We tell you about that awful lot.
Yeah, I can't talk.
Got your tang tangled?
I got my tang tangled.
Okay. Well, you know what?
But anyway, my friend Mary will be sending me updates on Miracle. That's what she's calling her because she is a miracle. She's such a sweetheart. Gary, I hope, is getting over his little pissed off mode. Mary's probably going to laugh when she sees
Who would name a cat Gary? But Gary's a cat, so there you go.
The snail Gary meows.
Oh, yeah?
On SpongeBob?
That's why I don't know. I don't watch SpongeBob.
Yeah, SpongeBob SquarePants. I think Gary meows because that's SpongeBob's pet.
Okay.
And it's a snail.
Okay. The only thing I know is who lives in a pineapple under the sea? SpongeBob SquarePants. That's all I know.
Gary the snail.
He meows. The snail meows. Okay. Well, anyway, hey, if you found anything in this video interesting, other than Gary the snail that meows, man, press the like button, and ring the bell. Stay notified if we do something or other. And she's gonna show me a meowing snail. A snail. Okay. Anyway, like and subscribe. Man, it helps us out. It's great. We're doing this just for fun because we don't care, don't we? We care?
Yeah, no, we don't. But
Okay.
really, we do.
Okay. So whatever. Anyway, we'll see you later. And man, like and subscribe, and we appreciate it.
And that's Robert.
That's Julie, and this is our thing.
We don't care, but really, we do.
We do. See ya.
See you later. Bye. Let me see if I can find